Coming up on part 3, more Welsh.
Nghymru.
Yeah, it's very cloudy.
Fresh milk.
Yes. Look at that.
And Devil's Bridge explained.
An old lady made a deal with the devil.
In 1999, I went to Wales to take a 3-week crash course in Welsh. I recommend you go back and start with part 1 so you're up to speed. So, this is the B&B. This is the salon. Well, there's Betty cooking up some magic in the kitchen. These are the other rooms. I think there are 4. This was my room. It was £17 a night with breakfast. I'm sure I got a break because I was there so long. And people can also stay in the caravans out back. One day I convinced our week 3 teacher, Ewan, to take us on an excursion.
Well, it seems I have to take these people, very curious people, to Tregaron, to the darkest corners of Welsh-speaking Wales.
Want to put your rucksack in the back, Matthew?
Sure.
I piled in the car with Derek, Ayub, and Vince. We caravanned and followed Ewan.
Okay, I'll go to my car and then you follow me.
Okay.
Dilynwch fi.
That was You Follow Me in Welsh. Ewan is from Cornwall and also speaks and teaches Cornish.
I wonder if they've demolished Derry Ormond Tower. There used to be a big tower here. And the story was that some chap had come here to try to get himself elected into Parliament. And he told the people that he was building this big tower and they'd be able to see London from it.
Oh, that's right.
But it wasn't true.
Yeah, I heard about that.
Yeah.
Thank you, Derek.